Assalamu alaikum student of class 7. I am your ICT teacher Khurshid Alam Rani from Square High School and College, and today I am going to discuss on chapter 2 lesson 15, and which is incompleted lesson from previous term. Okay, let's get started. A device is very common in today's ICT oriented machine is sound card. It works as an input as well as an output device. It is controlled by software. Most sound cards transform digital data into analog sounds. By connecting the output audio signal to an amplifier, we can listen to the sound through either a headphone or a speaker. Now, function of sound card. All sound cards have input and output connection. If any input is given from the outside, either through any microphone or through any input device, the sound card transmits it to the processor, which after processing it sends it back to the sound card, from where we can listen through output devices such as headphone or speaker. Uses of sound card. We can enjoy music, movies and play games with sound effects due to the sound card. Currently, the motherboards of all brands have built-in sound cards. But for professional uses, the sound card is usually connected to the motherboard separately. What is multimedia? Multimedia is content that uses a combination of different content forms such as text, audio, images, animations, video, and interactive content. Multimedia may be divided into two categories, that is linear and non-linear categories. Linear content do not require any navigational control for the viewers, such as cinema presentation. Non-linear requires interactivity to control progress, such as a video game or self-paced, computer-based training. Hypermedia is an example of non-linear content. Multimedia presentation can be two types. One is live and two is recorded. A recorded presentation may allow interactivity via a navigation system, and a live multimedia presentation may allow interactivity via an interaction with the presenter or performer. Graphics card. When we use computer or mobile phone, we give commands using the visual images or icons on the monitor. The commands are controlled by the graphics card. It is also called video card, display card, or graphic adapter. Like sound cards, most of the graphic card are built-in, but most modern processors have video or display chip with which they can display visual images without graphic card. All graphic card can display two-dimensional picture, but now graphics card are available that can show three-dimensional picture. But a three-dimensional monitor is required to watch 3D pictures. We can now watch live or bright pictures. Like sound card, graphics card have input and output connectors. Also, it has a separate port for playing games, so we can easily connect joysticks or other devices. Monitor. Monitor is intrinsically an output device. Now we have monitors that can input as well as output device. This type of monitor is called touch screen monitor. Nowadays, mobile phones, tablet PC, laptop with touch screen and common monitors are available in the market. There is no difference between a television and a computer monitor. Monitors are different sizes measuring diagonally. Previously, CRT or cathode ray tube monitors were usually used. But now LCD or liquid crystal display and LED, that is light emitting diode monitors, are very popular among the users. These are light and slim, energy saving and attractive. Printer. The output device that we need most after the monitor is the printer. We use it to print the output after being processed into the computer. We print the images after capturing them on digital camera. There are three types of printer are available. 1. Dot matrix printer. It is one of the first generation printer and is still very popular for low printing cost, but its print quality is not very good and slow in running. Number 2. Inkjet printer. It is commonly used as a chip printer. It is mostly used in personal work. Liquid ink is required for this printer and it prints in good quality. People like to use it in printing photographs, but photo printing is comparatively expensive. Number 3. Laser printer. The print quality of a laser printer is of very high standard and the device runs very fast. It is very useful in printing both text and photographs. Once it was expensive, but now it is very economical. Besides those, the plotter is a kind of printing machine. It is used to print architectural designs, maps, etc. on a paper big in size. Speaker. We undoubtedly like listening to music. The device connected to the musical instrument is a speaker. We get the output of all kind of sounds through the speaker. It is an essential output device. Speaker may be either built-in or connected from the outside. We can connect standard speaker to get clear sound output. A speaker converts the electric waves generated from the sound card to sound wave which we can hear. Headphones. Headphones are a device with a part of to cover each ear through which you can listen to sound without other people hearing. They are also called earphones or headset. It is usually used with mobile phones, CD-DVD player, MP3 or MP4 player, laptops and personal computer. As its use is soundless, no one is disturbed by it. Headphone should not be played too loud because it may damage our ears. Now, people use wireless headphones that facilitate sound to us by using Bluetooth or Wi-Fi technology. Multimedia projector is an electro-optical device. It can convert any data from the computer or any visual sources to image that can be enlarged by using lens and viewed focusing on a wall or a screen. Modern projector can create 3D image. Multimedia projector is mostly used in presentation. It is the modern version of a slide projector. The brightness ranging 1000 to 4000 lumens is required for using it in a big conference room, though it depends on the capacity of the projector. Now, what is lumen? Lumen is an international unit that measures the total quantity of light emitted by a source, and you will know it detail about on the higher class. The lamp of projector must be changed after using 4000 hours. Another kind of projector uses LED technology that can be used for 20,000 hours, though its price is comparatively high. Capturing the images from computer or any other sources as television, CD-DVD player, it transmits to the LCD. Then the image is focused on a flat surface through a lens. As LCD or LED projector are small in size, it is portable and does not need any big furniture for projection setup. Now, pocket projector is available and it facilitates the use from computer, tablet PC or mobile phones. Okay, that was all about for today. We will meet again with another topic of another chapter. Till then, goodbye.